Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going to configure iRule content check lab. In this lab we are using the same topology as we have used till now. So the main task of this lab is to configure the iRule that process request based on substring within the HTTP content frame and direct traffic to two different pools. So in order to configure it, we will use the same three pools which we have used in the previous iRule labs: pool 1, pool 2 and pool 3. Pool 1 having server 1, pool 2 having server 2 and pool 3 having server 3. Now what we'll go and what we will do, we will go to the iRule, right? Under iRule we will check the HTTP content rule. I have already configured it, right? Here the iRule says that if the client requested URI with some content, it will send the traffic to pool 2, right? Else it will send a traffic to pool 3. So see here, it says that if the HTTP content has some URI, right, which contains equal to me, then it will goes to pool 2, else it will go to pool 3. Now the save iRule, it will we will call it in the virtual server. So let's see the virtual server which has been configured. See this one is the virtual server HTTP content, right? Here we can say 104 all ports. Here we have configured protocol profile TCP, HTTP profile HTTPS we have selected, and then under iRule go to resources. Right here we have selected none. Why? Because we have configured in the iRule section that it will go to the pool 2 and it will go to the pool 3, right? So virtual server content resources none, right? So now let's check how the traffic behaves. So check it here. Uh, 10.10.10.04. So it's going to server 3. Why? So let's go and check the. So because in the URI, in the URI there is nothing, content. It's simple the IP address. So what it says, if there is nothing, content into the HTTP header, this server, the F5 will send a traffic to pool 3. Otherwise, it will send a traffic to pool 2. So let's, have some URI part into it. HTTPS 10.10.10.104 question mark user equal to me. One second, I did some mistake, I think. See, so now when I put me a particular content into the HTTP header, the server, the F5 is sending a packet to server 2. This is the same, if the user equals to me, then a traffic will go to pool 2, and the pool 2 is server 2. The server 2, right? So this is how we configure, HTTP content iRule in the F5. So thank you for watching F5 configure iRule content check lab. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.